Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go-to spot for all the gaming and tech things. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Clash of Clans on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Whether you are new to the game or switching devices, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and find the App Store icon. It's the blue one with a wide A on it. Tap on it to open it. Once the App Store is open, go to the search bar at the bottom of the screen, type in Clash of Clans in the search bar. You should see it pop up as one of the top results. Tap on it. Now tap the download button. It's the little cloud icon with an arrow if you have downloaded the game before. Or it's a get button if it's your first time. If prompted, confirm the download using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID as password. And there you go, you have downloaded Clash of Clans successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.